Smart Convertible 5-in-1 Refrigerators. Hi friends, welcome to the Tech Screen Live YouTube channel. This video will look at the premium device, Smart Convertible 5-in-1 Refrigerators. Samsung India today showcased India's first digital inverter compressor in direct cool single-door refrigerator series. The new range is powered by digital inverter compressor, which delivers efficient energy savings and ease to connect with the home inverter during power cuts. With this launch, Samsung extends its innovative and unique digital inverter compressor to the direct cool single-door refrigerator category. It is currently available in its frost-free range of refrigerators only. The revolutionary range, which caters to the diverse storage needs of Indian consumers, was also displayed at the event. The revolutionary Samsung Smart Convertible 5-in-1 refrigerator is powered by Twin Cooling Plus technology. That enables consumers to be flexible with cooling storage depending on their needs. The true independent cooling system allows turning the freezer into a fridge when required. One. Samsung RT34M5538S8. A good product for a family of 3 to 4 people. This is a 2018 model by Samsung and uses digital inverter compressor. The product is rated as 3 stars and gives you energy savings of about 35%. Two. Samsung RT42M553S8. This is the third product in my list of best Samsung 5-in-1 convertible refrigerators in India. This is one the best-selling product from this range. .415 capacity is good for a regular Indian family of 4. The best part of this fridge is that it is a 4-star rated product. This means you save a lot on electricity charges compared to other lower star rated products. Drawbacks of using convertible refrigerators. I see no drawbacks of using this technology. This functionality only enhances the options that we have of using our refrigerator the way we want it. A lot of critics of this technology claim that it is useless as most people use it only once or twice a year. However, my personal experience has been very different. The mode which lets me convert the freezer into the fridge is often used by me in my home. There are also instances when my family go out for weeks. At a time the mini freezer mode is also very useful. Thanks for watching this video.